Okay, this is good. I'm gonna take one to dairy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly, and today I have my mother here with me because we are going to be baking some Lactation cookies. These are going to be Lactation chocolate chip cookies, right?
Yes.
And what is the main ingredient in these cookies?
So the main three ingredients that are really good for moms that are nursing are rolled oats, ground flax seed, and brewer's yeast.
Brewers Yeast?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, y'all, this is so funny because I've been on TikTok and I've been like looking up stuff, and people say to drink a beer to help with milk production because a certain type of beer has brewer's yeast in it. I don't drink beer though, so absolutely not.
Me neither.
But yeah, so if you guys don't know, I just had a baby, and on top of that, I am exclusively pumping. So that's just a little bit of information about what I have going on. So that's why we're gonna be trying to make these cookies today. And also I have like a list of things that I've been doing just to try to help my milk production because I did end up having an emergency C-section. So my milk did not come in right away, but it doesn't always come in right away for everybody anyways. But mother's milk tea, I think, I've been drinking that every other day. Body Armor and just plenty of water in general have been helping me, but I wanted to try something else, so we're making a dessert today. Yay. All right, you guys, so we talked about the main three ingredients, but I do want to break down the recipe for you guys just so we're all on the same page, and I will probably put the recipe in the description of the video as well, just in case you guys want to actually physically see it. So with that being said, let's talk about the dry ingredients. So do you want to get into it?
Let's get into it. Our dry ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, baking soda, ground flax seed, brewer's yeast, and salt.
So for the wet ingredients, we have butter, brown sugar, light brown sugar, that's what I meant to say, regular sugar, egg, and vanilla.
What we're gonna do now is we're gonna preset the oven to 350.
Okay, so we set the oven to 350. Now it's time to actually start putting the ingredients together. I'm so excited. And I hope these cookies taste like Chick-fil-A cookies because those are like oatmeal chocolate chip type cookies. Anyways.
They're gonna be better.
Okay, so what do we want to do first?
What we're gonna do is I have all my dry ingredients already in the bowl and measured. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna whisk them together. Anytime you use dry ingredients, you just put them in a bowl together and you just give them a little whisk, just a little stir.
Okay.
That's it. That's done.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna sit these are the dry ingredients. I'm just gonna sit them to the side. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this butter and I'm gonna get this brown sugar and I'm going to get this regular sugar. And I'm going to cream the butter, brown sugar, and regular sugar together. Okay,
so when I saw that on the recipe, I was like, what? So can you kind of tell them or explain to them what it means to cream the ingredients together? Because I didn't know.
Okay, so what it means is, because the butter is, okay, let me go back. So the butter is room temperature, which makes it easier to cream together. Because you can't use cold butter because it'll be
too hard, right?
Yeah. Okay. So it's room temperature. So what we're gonna do, all that means is to just take the butter, you're going to use a hand mixer, and you're just gonna start creaming it first before you add the sugar in.
So off camera, my mom just creamed the butter because the handheld mixer is just really loud. So we didn't want to really do that on camera, but this is what we're working with. Hopefully you guys can see. If not, I'll zoom in, but this is what the butter looks like. And now, what are we gonna do next?
Now we're gonna be adding our brown sugar, our regular sugar, and 2 large eggs. And we're going to blend it all together until it's fluffy. So after combining all the wet ingredients, this is what we're going to be working with. So now the next step is going to be to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and I'll let Kelly do that part.
So I am going to do that, but one thing we did forget to mention is that off camera, we actually added the vanilla
flavoring.
Yeah, the vanilla flavoring. So yeah, just wanted to clarify that, but we are gonna get started with the dry ingredients now. So do you think I should add like a little bit at a time and then just whisk it?
Yes, you're always gonna add a little bit at the time because so it doesn't go everywhere.
Okay. All right, I'm ready. So
if you like, I can add it.
Yeah, you add it. You add it. You add it.
While you
I'm not a baker, y'all. So wait, should I whisk it while you're pouring?
No, you don't got to.
Okay. Why is this like a whole workout?
It is. That's why I'll let you do that part.
Always getting stuck with this stuff. Y'all, for Thanksgiving, I be having to cut the onions and the stuff that nobody wants to do.
You do it so well, though.
Okay, wait, let me combine just a little bit more, and then we'll add the rest of the... Ow, my arm hurts! Okay.
It's delicious.
It smells sweet, obviously, because of all the sugar, vanilla, all that kind of stuff.
Butter.
All that jazz. That's what you would usually say.
Yes, all that jazz.
Okay, so should we add in the rest of the dry ingredients now?
Yep, let's do that.
Okay. All right, that's all of that. Ew, people eat this.
Not me.
Ew, people eat cookie dough. I could never. There's like eggs in there, like raw eggs.
Your sister.
Yeah.
She buys it.
Ew, Darian also would eat cookie dough. Yeah, that's not for me.
Me neither.
Yeah, so we mixed up the rest of our ingredients minus the oats and the chocolate chips, right?
Yes.
That's it. And this is what we're looking like. Here's the consistency of our cookie dough.
Nice
wow, we have cookie dough. Okay, so next up, my mom is actually gonna add in the rolled oats and the chocolate chips. So you wanna go ahead and do that?
All right, I'm just gonna pour these in here. And let's talk about, I know you guys are probably wondering like, oh, all the butter, chocolate chips, and the sugar and whatnot, thinking it's unhealthy, but it's not unhealthy, I promise you. Actually, the healthy stuff is gonna outweigh the unhealthy stuff, because did you know that breastfeeding women actually burn 500 to 600 calories a day just by breastfeeding?
It's true. I was humongo when I was pregnant, and not saying I'm not humongo now, but I lost a lot of weight since I gave birth. Like, it's so crazy. Like, stepping on the scale now is so insane after just knowing what I was weighing with the baby, because your baby is only, well, my baby, she was big, 8 pounds, but that's only like a small chunk of the weight that I've lost so far. It's really crazy. Now, that doesn't happen for everyone. For some people, breastfeeding, nursing, whatever you want to call it, people who are exclusively pumping, some tend to eat more just because a lot of nutrients is going out for your baby. So it really just depends. Not everybody loses a ton of weight while they're breastfeeding. But
this is your experience.
Yeah, this is just my experience and what's been going on with my body so far. And it's only been almost 3 weeks. So this is just what I've, come to realize. Ooh, it's looking so good. I love chocolate chips. My favorite cookies are chocolate chip cookies. But I'm not really an oatmeal type of person. Like, oatmeal cookies. It's funny because I eat oatmeal for breakfast, but I don't really enjoy oatmeal cookies. So, but I do eat those Chick-fil-A chocolate chip cookies with oats in it.
Oatmeal raisin.
I do not eat raisins at all. So this is about to be interesting. So I'm really excited to actually try the cookies.
And voila, we have it done.
Cookie dough.
It is done. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our stick-proof pan, our cookie sheet. We're gonna use this ice cream scoop, and we're gonna just scoop out balls. And we're gonna put them on our pan 2 inches apart.
Okay. You guys, it smells literally so good in here, and nothing's even in the oven. By the way, the oven did preheat already. It already beeped. You guys probably didn't hear it. But we will be ready to go shortly here. So we're just gonna speed up this process. So you guys, all the cookies are on the pan. We do have some leftover cookie dough. We'll get to that later, probably off camera. But for the oven time, or oops, bake time, isn't that what you call it?
Bake time.
Bake time, you can tell I do not bake. It's gonna go into the oven for 10 to 14 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and pop those suckers in, and then we will be right back.
Back, the cookies are done. I sprinkled some flaky salt on them. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move them to the cooling rack.
Let's do it. Cause I can't even get it. I feel like this one. I can't wait to try one. Ooh. Oh, this one's falling apart.
We're back, and oh my goodness, the cookies are cool and they smell so good.
It just smells so sweet in here. I cannot wait to try one.
Me neither. So let's get into it.
Oh my god, which one am I gonna try?
I like crispy cookies, so I'm gonna take this one up here.
Okay. So I'm gonna take this one. Ah! If I can pick it up. Okay, you guys, look at these cookies. They're so pretty. The little flake of salt, it just looks so professional. So let's do a cookie cheers.
Yes.
Cheers, but wait, I actually wanna open mine. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh, look. Oh, look at the chocolate.
I feel like I need to zoom in because it looks so freaking good. All right, you guys, let's try cookies. Chick-fil-A, get out of the way!
Oh my goodness.
No, I'm not even kidding. I won't ever buy another cookie from Chick-fil-A again.
They are so good.
I got some in the freezer, y'all. Because we couldn't get all the dough on one pan, so she made me some in the freezer. You might need them.
Because these are delicious. And the salt on top just adds a little flair to it. The little flaky salt.
What in the world? This is so good.
I love it.
What's crazy is, so I don't do cooking on my YouTube channel, but I am trying to get into doing like more vlogs and more other content on my channel, because from the jump, I was never supposed to be a full-blown beauty YouTuber. It was supposed to be more like lifestyle and stuff like that, but this is gonna help me get into it. And we did talk about doing lactation brownies as well. So hopefully you guys really enjoy this video, because we're thinking about doing another video creating some brownies. So we're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it. Let's do it.
You guys, these cookies are so good, but you guys, it is time to end the video. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the content. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to both of our channels. So you guys know my channel is Adora Kells and
mine is simply Brandy Michelle.
So make sure you subscribe to both of our channels. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.